Let's just get you the latest as far as Prime Minister Modi is concerned, and he is going to be in Bihar today. He will be inaugurating projects worth over 6,000 crore rupees, and of course he is going to be in Jamui in order to mark the 150th birth anniversary of Birsa Munda, a towering figure in the freedom struggle and an iconic leader for tribal empowerment. The Prime Minister is going to be in Bihar for the second time in a matter of a week. Do remember, he was there on Wednesday. He laid the foundation stone for AIIMS at Darbhanga. Jamui, of course, shares its border with Jharkhand, where assembly elections are underway, and Modi will also be inaugurating various projects. And we have Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, take us through the Prime Minister's plan, and we also have Prabhakar with us. Aishwarya, first, what all is on the agenda as far as the Prime Minister's visit is concerned, his second in a matter of just a few days. Also, take us through, the impact of this tribal outreach with the Prime Minister there trying to woo the tribal voter there by marking the 150th birth anniversary of Birsa Munda. What kind of impact is that going to have as far as the voters are concerned in Jharkhand? Prabhakar, we will have Aishwarya back with us. Prabhakar, take us through the Prime Minister's plan, like I was asking Aishwarya, and also, the outreach of the Prime Minister trying to woo the tribal voter there, and the trickling effect that it's going to perhaps have on the elections that are underway in Jharkhand.
Yeah, it will certainly have big impact. That's the reason why these two mega events have been planned. One, Prime Minister reaches Jamui today. Jamui happens to be adjoining district of Jharkhand, and that is also Jamui has a substantial tribal population. So there is a mega program as far as Birsa Munda's program is concerned, and most of the programs over there, most of the schemes being launched by Prime Minister is of the tribal welfare. So it would certainly have an impact the way the media would be covering it. We have a second phase of Jharkhand elections to happen on 20th. So that's the reason why this mega program has been planned. And also, you have a program at Delhi where the Home Minister Amit Shah is attending, and the statue unveiling is happening at Delhi. So that's also a program which has been planned in a big way, and it certainly has the BJP believes that it would have an impact on the ongoing Jharkhand elections. Remember, tribal issue is one issue which BJP has been raising. They have been talking about illegal immigrants and the way those illegal immigrants are actually eating into the resources of the tribals. So tribals are the decisive vote chunk out here. And BJP realizes this very well, that whichever side the tribals actually vote for, they would be able to, that particular side would be able to sail through. And BJP has tested this in the last Lok Sabha election when BJP did not do well in the tribal dominated region. So this time they are going all out for the tribal outreach. Not only the Prime Minister, Home Minister making statement regarding the tribal welfare, regarding the illegal migrants and how the tribals resources are being eaten away by those illegal immigrants, but also today's program, one at Jamui and one at Delhi.
Right, you mentioned that statue that is going to be unveiled. We have Aishwarya joining us. Aishwarya, of course, Amit Shah there, who will be unveiling that towering 20 feet metal statue of Birsa Munda here in the national capital, weighing 3,000 kgs to mark the 150th birth anniversary. And, of course, the timing of this couldn't be more perfect given the fact that the elections that are just days away, the second phase of the elections in the state of Jharkhand.
Well, perhaps that is the reason because Bihar's Jamui has been chosen as the place where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be inaugurating projects worth rupees 6,400 crores for the welfare of tribals. It is just not in Delhi where Amit Shah will be inaugurating that 20 feet tall statue of Birsa Munda. It would be in Tripura's Agartala as well, where several of the key events had been organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party. But in Jharkhand, because MGC is in place, there would be no programs and launches, and therefore the reason Prime Minister will be launching for Bihar's Jamui. According to the official release, what we have been told is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to launch the national level initiative programs which will directly impact the tribal belt, and Pradhan Mantri Dharti Abhagram Utkarsh Abhiyan Yojana from Bihar's Jamui district will be commemorating the 150th birth anniversary of Birsa Munda as well. And also it has been told to us that these schemes will be aiming to uplift development of the tribal communities across the country, ensuring that they will receive the benefits of various government programs and initiatives. Remember, yesterday it was President of India, Draupadi Murmu, also issued a statement and said that until and unless there are the tribals who will not be developed, the country cannot get developed as well. And therefore, the reason this government is perhaps working for the welfare of tribals as well. But linking it to directly elections, of course, Bharatiya Janata Party has been eyeing for the tribal belt seats in Jharkhand as well. The tribal votes is something that BJP want to garner, and therefore the reason perhaps Champai Soren was inducted in the Bharatiya Janata Party. There were senior leaderships who was stationed at the tribal belt area of Jharkhand as well. We have been also told that apart from as I mentioned, Delhi and Bihar's Jamai, it would be Tirupura who will be marking a launch after a morning rally had been organized. Jyotiraditya Scindia, the Minister for Donor, will also be present over there, and there would be a mega ceremony happening as well. Remember, last year as well, Prime Minister went to Birsa Munda's village commemorating the birth anniversary, and every year Bharatiya Janata Party has done so since 2021 when the Birsa Munda Jayanti had been officially